Hey, this is Sam Hain, and I have to say that there would be no more Angel Bear snoring on this channel because I got my channel taken down. So I have decided no more Angel Bear snoring, no more Angel Bear sleeping. I have to do this because I have to protect my channel. I can't put videos up that will cause my channel to get terminated or get copyright strike. I'm doing the most best for the channel, in my opinion. So I'm sorry I have to do this, but it's something I have to do. I have no choice. And maybe in the future there'll be Angel Bear snoring and sleeping videos. But right now, as of right now, there's no more gonna be uploaded. I got a whole lot of them still backed up from my other videos and stuff like that, but I'm not uploading them to this channel at all. And that's the best I can do for right now.